कला आणि संस्कृती खात्यान राज्य सांस्कृतिक पुरस्कार दिवन 11 कलाकारांचो आणि एके संस्थेचो भोवमान केलो। हो सुवाळो पणजे कला अकादमीच्या दीनानाथ मंगेशकर हॉलान जालो। गोंयान वेगवेगळे तरेच्यो कला आसात आणि गोयची कलेच्या मळार उदरगत जायत आसा अशें राज्यपाल भरतवीर वांचून म्हणला। बऱ्या कलाकारांचो आंकडो वाडत आसा ताका लागून पुरस्काराचो आंकडो वाडोवपाची गरज कला आणि संस्कृती मंत्री दयानंद मांद्रेकारान उक्तायल्या।
I have observed with keen interest that the state of Goa is a great repository of varied cultural forms. It is indeed a matter of immense satisfaction that there is in Goa a growing interest in the promotion of various forms of art, be it music, dance, drama, literature, fine arts, theatre or painting. This, in my view, is responsible for imperceptibly fostering social understanding and emotional integration amongst the people of the state. I would also say that I consider this a sign of the growth and development of the people of the state and indeed a sign of maturity.
या लोकांचे कार्य आहे, भरपूर कार्य आहे। अजून सुद्धा जे रेकमेंडेशनाचो लायनअप आहा हे बरेच व्हडले लायनअप आहा आणि खंय तरी ते हे ती सुद्धा म्हाका दिसता आंकडो आहा आनी थोडो वाडोवपाचो गरज आहा, जेणे करून वाडोवपाची इतक्या पसत गरज आहा।
गोंयच्या सांस्कृतीक मळार आज इतली जागृताय जाल्या की व्हड जावपाची इच्छा धरपी कलाकारांक गोंयांत सुद्धा रावून ते करूं येता हें आज आमकां दिसता। सगळे कडेन कलेच्या मळार एक वेगळो असो हुंवार आयिल्लो आसा, वेगळो असो चंवर फुलिल्लो आसा।
गोयच्या पंगडान बऱ्यापैकी प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर आशिल्ल्यान हे फावट रणजी सिजनान गोयची कामगिरी बरी जातली असो विश्वास भारताचो आदलो क्रिकेटर आणि गोयचो क्रिकेट कोच दोडा गणेशान उक्तायला। गोयची पहिली 4 दिसाची रणजी मॅच परवरे जम्मू काश्मीरा कडेन शुक्रारा सुरू जातली।
We got a lot of professionalism in our side. They know what to do, what is their role as a team. If you want to win a title, you should play as a team. You should win as a team. You should lose as a team. At present, our team is looking good shape. Everyone is fit, especially like Swapnil in the batting lineup. Swapnil, Amok Desai, Bisla, Shukla, and Rigan Pinto, Shatab. And these are, now we got a good batting lineup. There's the same thing. Start with bowling with Bandekar, Rashad Gadekar, Robin D'Souza, and then again Shatab, Sheru. We got a good all-round side. Overall, we got a good all-round side. We are there in good shape. Another 2 days to go to for war. We should get ready for war. We got another 2 days. Everybody are now ready to play the competition. Why we played that match simulation? I want to see the different position. The people can fit one wicket, then wicket, how wicket behaves. Because in Goa we got a lot of humidity. Which condition we should move, like bowling department and batting also. How to get ready for that's the reason we did. Now we are ready for war.
How is the performance in the practice matches that you all?
Everybody is in good shape in the practice games. We tried for practice wicket, fast wickets. It's a good swimming wicket. Everybody is in good nick.
Okay, and the first match is here against Jammu and Kashmir. So what kind of wicket is in offer for us?
So we'll give a sporting track. So we'll go the Jammu, their first game. They're coming here. We shouldn't relax them. We shouldn't underestimate. We should go by ball. Start with ball by ball. We play session by session. Go at day number 1. Start the day. We'll go like win day by day. We should follow. Then try to win first game. A good start we required. Yeah, if I want to tell frankly, in our side, level players can bowl, level players can bat. All rounders. That is a good sign in cricket. I have never seen like that in my Karnataka team. But here people can Swapnil. If you start with Swapnil, he can bowl, he can bat, he can be good fielder also. Amok Desai can go bowl, bat. Then start with Sagun. He can also bowl and bat. Then overall we got a good all-round side. Then we got a good bench strength also.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो। इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।